Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, September 12th, 2019. Hopefully, students, you had a good afternoon off yesterday, that you were able to do some things outside to have some fun before the rain came in the evening. So hopefully you had a wonderful day, and we're glad that you're back today. For our morning announcements today, we have one birthday to announce. So today's birthday is Sergio Gonzalez Morales. So happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Our lunch choices for today, we have French toast sticks, hot dog, and sun butter and jelly. And today our pause samples are brought to you by our second graders and Mrs. Lake's class. Alright, it is time for our pause, and we have three students here from second grade and Mrs. Lake's class who have some examples of things to make sure you're following your pause.
Don't bully people or you're gonna get in trouble. If you have something bad to say, don't say it. Don't punch people.
That's great advice. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys for that wise advice. Much appreciated. And today's gratitude for the day today is to give somebody a high five and a compliment. So tell them that they're doing a great job and give them a high five today. Of course, it takes two people to do high fives, so please make sure that when you do give a high five, the other person knows it's there too. But give them a positive compliment and a high five today. At this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. Much appreciated for that Pledge of Allegiance today. Everyone have a wonderful day, and make sure you give a positive comment, a compliment to somebody today, and a high five. Have a wonderful day.